Trias, is it that hidden gem in the cryptocurrency world? There are some things I really love about the token and others I incredibly hate, and I will share both of those things here. The first thing to like is obviously this rally, more than a 10x last year. Most of it happened in the last month. Now things didn't always look that rosy. During the bear market, the price went from $24 all the way down to less than $1. But here's the first interesting thing. This is the price chart. But have a look at the corresponding market cap chart. Trias was never that large in terms of market cap. So the circulating supply seems to have grown over time. I was not able to find a reliable circulating supply chart though, but I will show you the data I got from my own tools. Here's something interesting. The token isn't yet that widely spread across centralized exchanges. Qcoin has the major share of trading, but there's still massive trading happening also in a decentralized manner, and that's good. It's good that we've got activity on the blockchain directly, because then we can see what are the small holders doing, what are the whales doing, what's actually moving that price. Now here's something embarrassing for the Trias team. They announced just recently a launch of a new website on December 30th, Trias.one. You click on that link and what do you see? As you see, there is nothing. The website went down. The person responsible for that new website probably took a holiday break and didn't bother to fix this. Now, any YouTuber can show you the broken website. Any YouTuber can show you the price chart. This video though has data that other YouTubers will not show you. We'll find out who is currently buying the token. Is it small retail or is it whales? The answer is in the charts behind me, a tool that I've built myself that you can get access to as well in the premium membership. So that's thebitcoinstrategy.com. Link is down below as well. On the left side, we've got the number of wallets that hold at least 10 Tria tokens. But it's currently $150 worth of the token. So small retail with a bit of play money in it. In the middle, we've got the number of holders that have 10 times that, 100 tokens. So that's $1,500 worth of the token. Another 10x on the right, 1,000 tokens. So $15,000 worth of the token. Currently, there are roughly 7,000 holders, and this is a bit over the top 10% of those holders. What do we see? We see retail is buying massively, both small retail and medium-sized retail. We also see that the whales purchase quite heavily at the beginning. They aren't participating in the current rally that much, but they're also not selling off. So we've seen a 10x in price in the last year, most of it happening in the last month, and the big guys are not letting go of their tokens, at least in aggregate. Now there's a very confusing situation around the circulating supply, and if you've got an answer to this, please comment this down below. I will show you what I have here. First of all, coin market cap implies an increase in circulating supply, right? Otherwise the market cap wouldn't be at all-time highs while the price is not. On top of that, we see a total supply of 10 million with a circulating supply of 9.7 million. Now my on-chain tool shows a minted supply of 10 million. So this is in line with what CoinMarketCap says, but it's not increasing whatsoever, right? This was always 10 million. Another very interesting point is when we look at the largest holders. That's over here. The largest wallet has 5 million tokens, and that wallet is a burner wallet. It's a dead wallet. So of those 10 million, at least 5 million are not accessible anymore. So what is it? Is it a growing supply as implied by the market cap chart of CoinMarketCap? Is it a constant supply of 10 million as implied by the on-chain minting events? Or is it even 5 million of circulating supply, with half of the tokens already being burned since they are held in a dead wallet? If you know what's going on here, feel free to share this again down below in the comments. It will help the entire community that's looking for Trias. Now here's another thing I very much like, and that's the chart behind me. This is Trias relative to Ethereum. I don't like to look at altcoin charts just in bare US dollars because you want to know how much outperformance are you getting for taking on more risk. And Ethereum tends to be higher correlated to altcoins than Bitcoin is. And Trias did outperform versus ETH by 1,250% roughly. This is very positive. Over such a long period of time, most altcoins do not outperform ETH. So there's two ways to interpret this, right? On the one hand, there's potentially an upper ceiling here because we did see a crash at that level in the past. But I rather see this as a positive. I don't think we have to necessarily bounce off that potential resistance. And the reason for that is the small market cap. 150 million, fully diluted, but very likely it's just half of the size, really, because, again, all of that dead supply. There's lots of other useful information in this tool. For example, the first wallets that received the token or the first wallets that traded the token. Those might be potential insiders, and it's always interesting to see what are those wallets actually doing with the token now. So again, that's thebitcoinstrategy.com. Feel free to subscribe if it's your first time here. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.